Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to use Zeely to design professional video ads. So design professional video ads in Zeely, start by choosing the type of campaign you want to run, like product promotion or brand awareness. Then upload your product clip or image, or use the Zeely's built-in media and template. Zeely AI automatically turn your content into published, scroll, stopping videos by adding intuition, music, text, overlay, and your brand element. You can also customize the video by editing headlines, adjusting the scenes, selecting the background music, and also choose the vertical or the square format for mobile optimization. The product, the platform also reveal the video ads in real time, so you can tweak the flow before you publish. Once the video is ready, easily plug it directly to your ad campaign with the suggested copy and a placement, ensuring your video looks professional and perform well across platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Zeely also lets you create a high quality video ads using the AI and template. Just upload your content, personalize it, and launch it. Launch a pro looking ad in a minute without needing a video editing skills.